In this very quick tips video, I'm going to show you how you can open up your system information to get your computer name, PC device name, and also how you can rename your computer name. Nice and easy to do. The first method is the easiest. Click on the Windows Start button and then type in the word About, and you can see you've got About your PC. Click here and that will open up. If you wanted to just copy the actual device name, just double click it, and then with the right mouse button you can copy it. If you wanted to copy all of this information over and give it to your IT professional, just click the copy button there, and I'll show you what it looks like. I'm going to put it into Notepad, so I'm going to paste it in, and that's all the information copied across, and you can email it over to your IT tech. At iFixTech, we usually ask you for your PC name if we need to do some sort of remote session, or if we've got our managed antivirus and we want to do some remote virus scans. Knowing your PC name helps us find you quickly on our system. Right, I'm going to close that. Right, the second method, again equally as easy, is using your keyboard. Using your Windows button and the button on the right hand side, the pause break. So hold down Windows button and the pause break button at the same time, and that will open up the system About. Nice and easy. The last method, and again this is just as easy. You right click the Windows button and you scroll down until you see System. Click on that. Okay, so that's 3 ways to get your system information. If you wanted to rename your PC, which is quite common, you know, when you first get Windows, it'll have some random PC name. Doesn't help you if you want to find it on the network. Mine, obviously I'm at home, so I'm using home PC. If you want to rename it, that button there, rename this PC. So you rename it to whatever you want it to be. Office PC number 1, and then click next, and that will rename it. It normally asks you to restart because the new PC name won't come into effect until you restart your computer. So I'm going to say restart later because I'm recording this video. And there you go. So that's the old name and that's the new name. Hopefully that helps. We may ask you for your PC name, and that's all you need to do. Just either double click that, right click it there and select the copy, or just copy that area there. That's all we need. Okay, thank you very much.